shining young actors in Philippine entertainment today.
Yes!
Yes!
Love you, Kai!
Kylie ang
Well, I am very proud po dito sa aming proyekto na to. Ang papromise ko, magagandahan po kayo. Dahil napakagaling ng aming director, napakagaling ng aming writers, and syempre yung mga co-actors ko po. Binigay talaga namin yung puso namin dito, binigay namin yung pawis namin dito. Lahat po yung soul namin. All of us are very dedicated po sa paggawa nito. May kita nyo naman po yung puso sa bawat eksena. I just miss the feeling po dito po. I miss the challenge. I miss the complexity of being a kontrabida. Kasi, syempre, may mga times po na kailangan kong mabait ako. Basta gusto ko po yung kung gaano ka-complex yung paggawa ng isang karakter na complicated din yung storya, yung background story, and malalim yung binigay.
Tsaka yung lawak, yung character, di ba?
Iba't iba po yung levels ng mga confrontation namin ni Kate. May iba na nilalabanan namin yung isa't isa, pero in a very quiet way. Mata-mata levels, ganyan. Meron po mga, as in, pasabog, catfight talaga umalala.
Action!
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Well, in every relationship naman po that I have or had, whether it's professionally or friendly man or romantic, I always try to learn something from it, both the good and the bad experiences. Right now, I think we should all move on from that experience, and I will treasure that moment po kasi syempre, it makes me who I am today, or it made me who I am today with all that happened.
Yes or no, or another way of putting it is, kayo na nga ba ni Kobe Paras?
Patawad po dito po pero hindi ko po kayo masasagot. But all I can say is, he makes me happy. Pero dito boy, ito na lang.
Okay.
Halimbawa, boto ka pa sa kanya.
Ako tinanong. Botong-boto.
Okay.
Lalaban na atras.
Lalaban.
Papatol de Derma. Long hair, short hair.
Long hair.
May tattoo o wala?
Meron.
Hawak kamay o aakbay?
Parehas po.
Kakandong, kakandang.
Siyempre doon po tayo sa kakandang.
Videoke or videoke? Date or dinner date?
Videoke date po.
Basketballista o artista?
Ay! Bahala na po.
As a girlfriend or as a friend?
As a friend.
Lights on or lights off?
Ooh, lights on?
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Anytime.
Complete this. Itong era na ito, this era, I am.
Pwede po ba dito, boy? This era is mine.
Oh!
Ang dapat abangan sa Shiny Inheritance ay, of course, family drama. At marami kayong mararamdaman na emosyon dito sa Shiny Inheritance. So I cannot wait na mapanood niyo itong lahat, mga kapuso. As always, at first, sobrang kinakabahan ako. Of course, it's Tito Boy. But every time that I talk to Tito Boy and every time that I do fast talk, it's always easy and always light. He always makes me feel warm and welcome. And para lang talaga nagkakwentuhan ng dalawang magkaibigan. So, yeah. Thank you so much, Tito Boy, for making this easy.
tawa, 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 tawa.